Hello and welcome to our Angular tutorial. In this session, we're going to learn about the ngIf directive. First, we start by importing the component decorator from Angular core, which allows us to define a class as an Angular component. We're creating a new component with the decorator, and our selector is app_myComponent. This selector is used in the HTML to include our component. Here's our template, embedded in backticks for a multi-line string. We have an h1 tag, followed by a paragraph that includes the ngIf directive. ngIf will include this paragraph in the DOM only if showParagraph is true. Below, there's a button that when clicked will call the toggleParagraph visibility method. We've closed the component decorator and are defining the myComponent class. It has a property showParagraph initialized to true. When true, our paragraph will be visible in the DOM. Finally, we define toggleParagraph visibility. It's a method that flips the value of showParagraph. When the button is clicked, this method is called, toggling the visibility of the paragraph with each click.